Full accessories in the box. Step 1. Install 4 base legs. Just press on, no twisting needed. Step 2. Install the light panel. Press firmly to secure. Incorrect installation. Loose installation may cause the device to malfunction when powered on. Pull this part when adjusting the height. Adjust the light panel height by extending the rod, ensuring it stays attached to the base. Step 3. Install the water pipe. Press firmly to secure.
Place the metal end into the external water tank.
Step 4. Prepare the nutrient A and B. Fill each bottle with 100 milliliters pure water. Shake the nutrient solution well. Pour the nutrient into the nutrient compartment. We recommend adding 50 milliliters of A and 50 milliliters of B. Note 1. Do not pour all the nutrient solution at once, as it may overflow. Note 2. Store and use nutrient solution in a cool, dry place to prevent mold. Step 5. Now let's power on and turn on the device. Press the button to turn on. Once the device is on, a beep will sound when a water shortage is detected. Press any button to turn off the beep sound. Step 6. Press and hold the C button for 3 seconds to activate the automatic mode. Auto water refill will stop once it reaches the max level. In manual mode, mix water and nutrients as per the ratio chart, then add to the tank. Place 2 to 3 seeds in as recommended. Stick on the stick or remove the center. Cover with the germination cover. Remove once the seedlings grow taller. Standard growing tray with 21 planting pots. Suitable for veggies or herbs. Fruits/big plants growing tray, suitable for tomatoes and chili and other bigger plants. Recommended distance between the light panel and plants, 10 to 15 centimeters. Too close may cause yellowing or burning. Too far may result in insufficient light. Press and hold the device's C button for more than 2 seconds. When the Wi-Fi button starts blinking, it enters pairing mode. Download the LPH app to use the remote control feature.